He said, Krishna is yours. Krishna is not independent. Krishna is Radharani's property. So you have to approach Krishna through Radharani. Worship Radharani very nicely and be happy. And another place, Prabhupada says that the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they like to see, in one purport which is in this Vrindavan book, Prabhupada said the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, that's us, they like to see that Krishna is a doll dancing in the hands of Radha. Is dancing. Krishna is dancing in the hands of Radharani. This is what the Gaudiya Vaishnavas like to see. That Krishna himself is dancing for Radharani. And he's serving Radharani. So final point, Prabhupada says that Radharani is the internal potency of Krishna. Radharani eternally intensifies the pleasure of Krishna. Radharani eternally intensifies the pleasure of Krishna.